In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable in-app notifications in Dynamics 365. This feature can enhance your user experience by ensuring that you're always up to date with any changes or updates within the platform. If you're managing a team or working in a collaborative environment, having these notifications turned on is crucial for seamless communication and efficiency. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, we need to enable the feature within the app settings. Begin by navigating to Power Apps. Once you're there, head over to the section labeled Apps. You'll now want to find your specific Dynamics 365 or model-driven app. After locating it, look for the three-dot menu, also known as the ellipsis, positioned next to the app name. Click on that, and then choose Edit. Inside the configuration settings of your app, you should look for a section that's either labeled Settings or Features. This is where all the magic happens. Within this section, you'll find an option named something like Enable In-App Notifications or Allow Notifications. Once you spot it, just switch it to On. This simple toggle ensures that notifications are now part of your Dynamics 365 experience. Next, let's talk about what happens on the user end. Now that you've enabled notifications, it's important that individual users know how to handle them. Once they're in the app, they'll usually notice a bell icon, commonly referred to as the Notification Center. This is where all incoming notifications will appear, so it's vital for users to familiarize themselves with this feature. Moreover, there might be user-specific settings that need to be adjusted. These settings could be accessed through the same bell icon or by diving into the user settings. Here, each user can customize their notification preferences. For instance, they can decide how long these notifications, often called toast messages, linger on the screen. Additionally, they can determine if notifications should pop up for a limited time or stay visible until manually dismissed. By understanding and configuring both the app-level and user-level settings, you ensure that notifications are effectively integrated and functional. This setup allows everyone involved to benefit from real-time updates, enhancing productivity and communication within your organization. I hope you find these steps straightforward and easy to implement. Thanks for tuning in, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below.